How to show followers on Facebook profile. In this video, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to show followers on your Facebook profile. Open up your Facebook and then from here go to your profile section or the menu section first at the top right. Then tap on the gear icon to go to settings. Once your settings and privacy is open, scroll down and find audience and visibility. And right there you'll have followers and public content. Tap on it. So here you can choose who can see your followers on your timeline. Make sure you set this to public. Tap on save. And then under that, you have who can see people, pages, and the list that you follow. It's public. Make sure all of the information is public right here, basically, and then go back. Now you can tap on the profile banner. And if you scroll down a bit here, you should be able to find your details. So tap on see more info. And here people will be able to see your number of followers. So if I just go ahead and tap on the profile icon and then preview it, so tap on view as, so it's going to be a public view, so people will be able to see the number of followers here. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.